maybe futsal.
Where you go? I go to school.
What? Where do you go to school?
Hah? Where do you go to?
New school or like old
Where
school?
do you go to school?
New school or old school?
Where do you go to school? Where do you go to school?
Okay, then maybe you can ask me.
Kalau bang,
I live in Batam, Sungai Panas, and Citra Indo. Okay. Thank you.
Thank you. Bye bye.
Bye bye. See you.